Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa roja for tacos. Start by roasting tomatoes, onion, garlic, and chilies until charred in spots, then cool briefly and remove stems from chilies. Transfer ingredients to a blender with a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar if needed. Pulse to your preferred texture and finish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime. Taste and adjust salt or heat, then serve immediately or refrigerate for flavors to meld. Gather ripe tomatoes, 1-2 chilies depending on your heat tolerance, 1 small onion, 2 cloves garlic, cilantro, lime, and salt. Roast the tomatoes and aromatics together so their sugars caramelize and bitterness softens. Keep a close eye on chilies to avoid burning them completely. Char but not ash. Blend with a splash of lime and taste for seasoning. Adjust with more salt or a pinch of sugar as needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and quick tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timers, streaming music, and controlling smart lights while you cook, making taco prep smoother and more fun. I use it for step reminders and playlist vibes in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a cast iron or heavy pan until very hot and char tomatoes, chilies, onion, and garlic until blistered on all sides. Let cool slightly and remove chili stems, reserving seeds if you like more heat. Pulse in a blender with salt and a squeeze of lime, keeping some texture for taco bite. Transfer to a bowl, fold in chopped cilantro, and refrigerate if not using right away for best flavor melding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.